What if your business could work for you, even while you sleep, without hiring anyone, without coding, and without spending a dollar? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to build a fully automated AI funnel that can generate up to $100 a day, using one free AI tool, and a simple workflow you can set up in under 60 minutes. This is not theory. This is a real practical system solopreneurs can start using today. Welcome back to Online Biz Breakthrough, the channel where we turn ideas into automated income systems. If you're a solopreneur, creator, or beginner who wants to stop trading time for money, this video is for you. And make sure you stay until the end because I'll show you how to connect everything into a true set-it-and-forget-it system. Here's the problem I see everywhere. Most people use AI for one task, writing a post, creating a video, generating an idea, and then they stop. That's not automation. Automation is when multiple tools work together without you touching anything. Today, we're moving from AI helps me sometimes to AI runs my system daily. Let me show you the entire system first, so you understand the big picture. This funnel has 4 automated steps. 1. AI creates content, video or short form. 2. Content sends traffic to a simple link. 3. AI captures leads or sends offers automatically. 4. Monetization runs in the background. Once set up, your only job is to check results. The main engine of this system is InVideo AI, and yes, there is a free plan you can start with. Why InVideo AI? It turns simple prompts into full videos, it creates shorts, plus long form, it removes editing, scripting, and design from the process. Here's what you do. Step 1. Open InVideo AI. Step 2. Paste a single prompt like, create a 60-second educational video explaining how beginners can automate an online business using AI tools. Step 3. Let AI generate the script, visuals, and voiceover. That's content creation automated. Content alone doesn't make money. Funnels do. Here's how we connect it. Every video includes one simple CTA. That CTA points to one smart link, Linktree, beacons, or your own page. That link leads to a free resource or an affiliate tool, or a simple email capture. This is where automation multiplies effort. Once traffic flows, AI doesn't stop. It continues working. Let's connect everything. InVideo AI creates videos automatically. YouTube, Shorts, distributes content daily. SmartLink, captures or redirects traffic. Affiliate or lead system, monetizes. No employees, no editing, no daily posting stress. This is AI synergy, not just AI usage. Here's how you start right now. 1. Choose one niche. 2. Use InVideo AI to create one video per day. 3. Add one call to action. 4. Let the system compound. You don't need perfection, you need momentum. If you want to start automating your business today, check the link in the comments. I've placed the exact tools I use there. And if this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment automate. I personally read and respond. This is Online Biz Breakthrough, and I'll see you in the next video.